Hello viewers. Well, today microwave has been acting up. Well, today it's been acting up for a while, hasn't it? I've had this thing for a while now. Built-in microwave, sits in that little recess. Gets warm in there, as you can quite well imagine. Sometimes it will just cut out and stop working. You have to open the door, slam it, and it will work again. Telltale signs of dry solder joints, you know, easy stuff. Thought I'll give it a bit of an inspection, take it apart, drag it out. High voltage side all looks pretty good. There's connections look a bit cooked, but they still do a good connection, so they're alright. Magnetron's still in good condition, which is nice. Not overly dusty in here, which is impressive. The back was dusty, but we've cleaned that off. Anyway, big old transformer on the board. Big, you know, heavier than usual. Opening and closing the door, slamming it, because this does get slammed, you know, the door on this thing. Transformer. You always start off looking at the place where the power comes in and work your way into the unit, you know, from the main power source up here. Work your way to the front. My thought was, it's got to be a controller board issue, because the whole thing cuts off, you lose your power to your light and everything. So transformer, it's only held on the board with these, what is it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 connections, and a bit of glue, which is a bit pathetic really. I'm using my phone to do this video, so it's a bit iffy. And if I can find this torch, it's not the best torch in the world, but not the best one we've got in the house. This joint up here, whoa, you can see it's strobing. Yeah, it's not going to focus. But yeah, this joint, where are we? This joint just here. Come on, focus for me. Come on, focus for me. God, the focus crap on these phones. Come on. You can see that there it has got, if I move the board, you see that little gap there, look. Telltale signs of a bad solder joint. Just go over that with some solder and maybe get a bit of oh my god, look at the focus on this phone. It's so horrific. Just get some glue or something and hold it to the board. Should help it out just that little bit. So this is a Kenwood microwave. That's the, can't even focus on that. That's the ratings and the model number. Hopefully this is a fix you guys can do. Soldering is dead easy. Don't be afraid of it. You know, it's not like welding where you see sparks going everywhere or anything. Of course, like everything, make sure you got this thing unplugged before you actually do anything. We've got ours sort of going into a wall there, and it goes into a plug which is just under here, look, and I've actually physically unplugged it from the socket. Some nice bodge wire in there from whoever did all this. Probably my dad. So yeah, that should be all it takes to fix that. So hopefully this will fix yours. And
make sure,
oh yeah, make sure
when you come to take this apart, make sure you got one of these Torx drivers with a little indentation in the middle.
Focus, damn you. There you go, like that. Yeah, because this was made during the times when appliances need to be, you know, had to be made secure. Nowadays they are all, well, there's actually a law in the UK now which states that that appliances need to be user serviceable, which is good. It's coming into Parliament soon, I do believe. Yeah, that's the reason why you need a little bit in the middle. Yeah, easy as that. Alright guys and girls, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.